In this video, I'm going to show you how to tour the reports section in Wave. To begin, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you're there, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen, find the Reports option, and click on it. Once you enter the Reports section, you'll see several categories containing a wide range of reports. Let's go through them one by one. The first section is Financial Statements. Here you'll find Profit and Loss, which shows your income and expenses over a specific period, and Balance Sheet, which gives you an overview of your assets, liabilities, and equity. We have separate videos that explain both of these in detail, but for this overview, we'll just cover them briefly. The third option under Financial Statements is Cash Flow, which helps you understand how cash moves in and out of your business, giving you insight into your income sources and liabilities. Next, we have the Taxes section. Here you'll see the Sales Tax Report, which displays your applicable taxes. Remember, you can't create or edit taxes from this page. It only shows those already included in your invoices or transactions. You'll also find the Form 1099-K report here. This form isn't created manually, it's automatically generated by Wave in accordance with federal thresholds once you qualify. Typically, it's produced for the previous year and sent to your registered email in the first quarter of the new year. After that, you'll see the Payroll section. Although payroll isn't used as frequently in Wave, if you have it set up for your employees, this section will display a summary of wages and related expenses. Next comes the Customers section. Here, you can view Income by Customer, which shows how much each customer has contributed, Aged Receivables, which lists unpaid invoices, and Customer Credits, showing deposits or prepayments held in account. Below that, you'll find the Vendors section, which is similar to the Customers section. You'll see Purchases by Vendor, showing where your business spends money, and Aged Payables, which lists unpaid bills you owe to vendors. Finally, at the bottom, there's the Detailed Reporting section. Here you'll find the Account Transactions General Ledger Report, which gives a detailed record of all your accounts and their movements. Then there's Trial Balance, which typically shows account balances for a single day. For example, if you open it today, it will show your debit and credit values for today's date. Lastly, you have Account Balances, which covers your account activity from the start of the year to today, showing opening and closing balances and movement of funds. And that's how you can tour all the report options in Wave.